Hello, and welcome. Today we're getting into something that has the power to reshape your entire life. It's not about changing the outside world but mastering the inner realm, the place where your reality is truly created. This isn't complex, and it doesn't require anything external. It all begins with you, your thoughts, and how you communicate with the deeper part of yourself, your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is like fertile soil. Whatever you plant there grows, whether it's a seed of joy or a weed of fear. The key is to understand how to plant the right seeds and tend to them so they flourish into the life you desire. Most people don't realize that they are already in control of their subconscious mind, but not consciously. They're letting it absorb everything from their fears, doubts, and the chaos of the world around them. What if you could shift that? What if you could deliberately guide your subconscious toward what you want, instead of letting it be a passive receiver of what you don't? Let's start with the foundation, your assumptions. Everything you believe about yourself and the world shapes the reality you experience. The subconscious doesn't argue or analyze, it simply accepts and manifests your dominant beliefs. If you assume you're unlucky or that success isn't meant for you, your subconscious will take those assumptions and create a life that reflects them. But here's the beautiful truth: you can change your assumptions. And when you do, your world will change, too. Now, how do we change these assumptions? The first step is awareness. Begin by paying attention to the stories you tell yourself daily. These stories often hide in plain sight, disguised as casual thoughts: "I'm not good at this, life is hard," or "I'll never have enough." These are the scripts running in your subconscious, dictating your experiences. The moment you become aware of them, you take back your power. Once you've identified the stories that no longer serve you, it's time to rewrite them. This is where the practice of affirmations comes in. An affirmation isn't just a positive statement, it's a conscious declaration of a new belief. But here's the key: it's not enough to say the words, you must feel them as true. Your subconscious responds to feeling, not just logic. When you say, "I am abundant," or "I am healthy," visualize what that feels like. Picture yourself living that reality. The more vivid and emotionally charged your affirmation, the more powerfully it imprints on your subconscious. Another crucial tool is the state akin to sleep, also known as the hypnagogic state. This is the drowsy, relaxed state just before you drift off to sleep. In this state, your mind is highly suggestible, and the door to the subconscious is wide open. Use this time wisely. Instead of replaying the events of your day or worrying about tomorrow, consciously direct your thoughts. Visualize your desires as if they've already come true. See yourself living the life you want, and feel the gratitude as though it's happening right now. Here's something else to keep in mind: repetition is the language of the subconscious. The beliefs you hold today were formed through repeated exposure, whether through your environment, your upbringing, or your own repeated thoughts. To replace those old beliefs with new, empowering ones, you must immerse yourself in your new assumptions repeatedly. This isn't about forcing it, it's about gently reminding your subconscious of the truth you wanted to adopt. Let's talk about the power of imagination. Your imagination is the workshop where your reality is crafted. Everything that exists in your life started as an idea, a vision in someone's mind. The chair you're sitting on, the device you're using right now, it all began as an image in someone's imagination. Similarly, the life you want must first exist in your imagination. Close your eyes and create a scene that represents the fulfillment of your desire. Make it as vivid as possible, using all your senses. Smell the air, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions. When your imagination is alive, your subconscious receives the message loud and clear. But what about doubt? It's natural to feel uncertain, especially when your current reality doesn't match the life you're envisioning. This is where faith comes in, not blind faith, but the quiet confidence that your inner world shapes the outer world. When you persist in your new assumptions, even in the face of contradictory evidence, you strengthen your connection to the subconscious. Doubt fades when you consistently affirm and feel the truth of your new reality. It's also important to release attachment to the how. Your subconscious mind works in ways that your conscious mind can't always understand. When you set an intention, trust that the path will unfold in the best way possible. Don't try to force or control the process, simply stay aligned with your vision and let the subconscious do its work. Let's address gratitude. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good practice, it's a powerful tool for programming the subconscious. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you signal to your subconscious that you already have abundance, love, health, or whatever it is you desire. This creates a positive feedback loop, attracting more of what you're thankful for. Each day, take a moment to reflect on your blessings and let that feeling of gratitude fill your heart. Your subconscious mind is always listening, always responding. The words you speak, the thoughts you think, and the emotions you feel are all instructions it takes to shape your life. By becoming intentional about these inputs, you become the master of your reality. The journey to control your subconscious mind isn't about struggle or force, it's about gentle, consistent alignment with the truth of who you are and what you desire. Let's explore the role of conscious attention in shaping your subconscious mind. Whatever you give sustained attention to, your subconscious treats as significant and worthy of focus. Many people scatter their attention across worries, distractions, and fleeting thoughts, unknowingly imprinting these into their subconscious. What would happen if you channeled your attention deliberately toward the life you want? Imagine the power of focusing your energy entirely on thoughts of health, abundance, and joy. Attention is like sunlight for your mental garden. When you shine it on the weeds, those negative beliefs or fears, they grow. But when you direct it to the flowers, the positive ideas and empowering assumptions, you cultivate a beautiful inner landscape. Practice this focus daily. When you catch your mind wandering to doubts or frustrations, gently guide it back to your vision. This is not about suppression but redirection. Equally important is your choice of words, both spoken and unspoken. Words carry energy, and your subconscious absorbs their vibration. Think of phrases like, I can't, I won't, or I'm not good enough. Each time you utter them, even casually, you reinforce limitations within yourself. Instead, consciously choose words that affirm possibility and capability. Speak life into your desires. Use statements like, I can, I will, and I am enough. When spoken with intent, these words act as keys, unlocking the limitless potential within your subconscious. Your environment also plays a crucial role. Surround yourself with influences that align with the person you wish to become. The books you read, the conversations you engage in, and the media you consume all leave impressions on your subconscious. Choose wisely. Fill your world with inspiration, positivity, and knowledge that supports your growth. This isn't about perfection but about creating an atmosphere that nurtures your inner transformation. Another fascinating element is the power of letting go. Often, the subconscious holds on to unresolved emotions, past hurts, or limiting beliefs formed long ago. These create blockages that prevent you from fully stepping into your potential. By practicing forgiveness, not just toward others but also toward yourself, you free your subconscious from these weights. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning harmful actions, it means releasing the emotional charge they hold over you. When you let go of resentment, guilt, or regret, you make space for new, empowering beliefs to take root. The energy of self-trust is transformative. Trusting yourself means having confidence in your ability to influence your subconscious and create your reality. It's about believing that you have the wisdom and strength to shape your destiny. This trust grows through practice and persistence. Every time you take a small step toward aligning your thoughts with your desires, you affirm that trust. Over time, it becomes unshakable. As we close, let's reflect on the power you hold within. Your subconscious mind is not just a passive mechanism but a dynamic force capable of creating the reality you desire. By directing your focus, choosing your words carefully, cultivating a positive environment, releasing emotional burdens, and trusting in your inner power, you set the stage for profound change. If this resonates with you and you found value in these insights, take a moment to let others know. Give this video a thumbs up, as it helps share this message with those who need it most. If you want to keep exploring topics like these, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You won't want to miss what's coming next. For those who are ready to deepen their understanding, subscribing ensures you stay connected to these transformative ideas. Share this video with someone who might benefit, and let's create a ripple effect of growth and empowerment. Thank you for spending your time here today. If you feel this knowledge has brought value to your life, consider liking this video and subscribing to stay part of the conversation. Together, we're exploring the untapped power that lies within each of us. Now, it's your turn to take the reins. Practice awareness. Speak affirmations with conviction. Visualize your desires as though they're already yours. Use the moments before sleep to impress your subconscious with your deepest intentions. Trust in the process, and watch as your inner work transforms your outer world. The power is within you, it always has been. All that's left is for you to claim it.